Okay, so we'll open up terminal. First we're going to install Docker. So we're going to sudo apt install docker io. Yep, enter in the sudo password here. Okay, now it's going to start to download and install Docker for us on our system. What we're going to do when this completes, we're going to install OpenVAS as a Docker container. Okay, so it's now completed. We'll clear the screen. Now we're going to install OpenVAS. So we're going to -d for running the container in the background. We're going to publish the container's port to 443, which is HTTPS. We're going to give the name OpenVAS, and we are going to grab the container from the Docker registry myexplain/OpenVAS. I'm going to let this go through and download now. This will take about 5 minutes or so depending on your download speed. Okay, now we're going to navigate to HTTPS. Okay, we're going to get a certificate warning, and the default credentials are admin. It is advisable to update these once you've registered. Okay, so now we're logged in, and we now have access to OpenVAS on our Docker container.